Hey everyone, it's Jake from Diesel Smart, and today I'm excited to show you our online tuning file portal. So this portal is designed for all workshops and dyno shops. So if you have a dyno or you don't have a dyno, doesn't bother. We can help you no matter what. As well as anyone that has tuning equipment tools. If you don't have any tuning tools and you're looking at increasing the revenue coming through your workshop, making more happy customers by being able to resolve their issues in your workshop, then we can definitely help set you up with tuning equipment, and especially at a good price. So we can do what we call a slave tool, which is what's linked to our master tool. Very cost effective way of getting in your foot through the door and starting into the tuning world. Now, a lot of workshops will, they won't really be looking for horsepower. They're looking for more uh, DTC deleting. So, we're looking at turning off DTCs that come in with cars that might have airflow meter faults, exhaust gas recirculation faults, um, or any kind of faults that need to be sorted. This file portal is definitely very, very helpful. Obviously, if you've got a crank angle sensor or cam angle sensor fault, that needs to be resolved on the car. But all your other sort of fault codes, EGT sensors and things like that you sort of just want to delete, we can definitely help with that. As well as all your performance tuning, we can definitely help. As well as fuel economy, all of that kind of stuff. It's a good area to get what you need to get your customer sorted. So what you'll do is you'll come into this website here, so you'll have to register an account with it. Then we will approve that account. Anyone that registers from now on will have a $100 bonus added to their account for the next 3 months. So being the 23rd or the 3rd now, you will be receiving a $100 bonus as soon as you join the account. So what we'll do is once you've set the account, it's all approved, everything's sorted. Obviously put your email, your password, and then sign on in. So once you're in, you'll notice a couple of things in this portal. You'll have what we look here in the home screen is your Bosch lookup. So this is perfect for if you're trying to find what what ECU is in the vehicle and you want to bench it, or you even want to know what ECU it is so you can read it via OBD. So we can put it in. We'll just copy the number that's there, SO2, and we'll go through and you can see that it gives you what ECUs are what, so that you can go through and pick them. So if you've got like an EDC 16, 17, and MD9, you'll know exactly what computer you have. So very, very good little tool. You can just do that as well on the Bosch lookup on their website. DTC search as well, so that you can also search what fault codes you're getting in your vehicle. So let's say like an EGR fault, you know, and yeah, obviously coming up as an EGR fault. So that's another fault code that we do sort out in this portal as well for you. Now let's get started. So we will upload a file. So today we're going to tune a DMAX. Okay, this is our test account. What we'll do is when you go straight in, you'll go into upload. So we'll upload a file. Go through. We've got a car manufacturer. This one will be a Isuzu D-Max, and then this one is a 4JJ3. So beautiful. Now you will see here, this is the ECU that you just click on there for it, and it tells you the tools. Bitbox, we do update these. So Bitbox do these. Alien Tech does do these now, as well as AutoTuner has it in beta mode, and MMC Flash does do it. So I will update this as well. We do a lot of updating in the tuning side of things, so they're constantly trying to keep up with everything. Now, just because it is saying diesel smart doesn't necessarily mean we just do diesels. So we do everything from petrols, diesels, absolutely anything you can think of, as well as transmission tuning. So all your DSGs. So if you have Mercedes, Audis, Lambos, Porsche, Commodores, Falcons, absolutely any kind of car that you need tuning for the engine or the transmission, as long as we can read and write to the computer, we can tune it for you. So you have absolutely no worries about tuning. So my father Mike, who works with me, he's been tuning since the early 2000s, and then myself, I'll be about 14 years now, give or take. We've been tuning for a very, very long time. So it's been through the family, like it's a generation of tuning. Now, when it comes to tuning certain vehicles, there's like I said, myself and Mike. Mike sort of deals with a lot of the Australian vehicles with your Commodores, your Falcons, and does a lot of Toyotas. His Toyota Land Cruiser tuning is very, very, very well done. I will give him that. Um, don't tell him I said that. Then the Isuzus and things like that, you'll necessarily come through me. So all your Isuzu tuning, all your heavy truck stuff. So all your Mercedes trucks, all your Caterpillar, all your Cummings, all that kind of stuff, deal very directly with me. As well as you get my mobile number. So this is the big thing that I find an issue with in the tuning world is when you want support, right? We do have a support system on here that I will show you that you can go through, but sometimes you might have a vehicle and it's doing something weird and you just can't type it. You just can't explain it. We're mechanics. We're not fucking scientists. So we need to explain it easily, right? And a lot of the times it's over the phone. So a good thing you do get with us is you do get phone support. So you get a direct line to myself. Uh, Pretty much anytime the portal is open, you can ring, and we will help you with absolutely anything that you need, tuning related or workshop related. So you get a car and you need to ask a question, maybe we might know an answer for you. You just ring. If we don't pick up, we normally ring back within 5 to 10 minutes. It's one thing that people really love about our file portal is that you get phone support. So let's move on. So we've got a ECU file that we're going to be doing. So let's open this up here. Okay, and we'll put a VIN number in. So normally I like the VIN numbers, and the reason I like the VIN numbers is, let's say we do a tuning, I do DTC deletes on EGTs and another part of the vehicle, and the customer comes back 3 months later and goes, I would like to have, I'd like some more horsepower. Then you can just you ring me up or send me a message and say, hey, the VIN number blah 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 is looking for more horsepower, so that we can bring up the record of the car. Makes it much more easier for us to do. Hey, this is the ID, so when it gives you the ID from when you read it, you just put this in here. So like that, this is automatic. And then the tool that we read this with is MMC Flash. Click that. So click that, and we go through here. So this is the main thing. All diesels tuning is stage 1. Okay. Um, then we go down to here, and we can do all your RPM limiters, EGR, all that kind of good stuff. Then if you don't want any of that stuff, okay, so we'll click no tuning. So we're not looking for any horsepower adding. Looking for Pacific DTCs to be turned off. We can do that. If you want EGR or the intake manifold runners or your mobilizer, we can do all of that. That's all listed here. If we don't have anything listed here, then just let us know. We can add it quickly for you. That is absolutely no problems at all. Or if we're looking for AdBlue tuning, anything like that, we can do all of that through here as well. So let's just go through and let's do a DMAX. So we're going to do a stage 1. Okay. And we want to do these two as well. Beautiful. And then we will click submit. So it being a Sunday at 10 p.m., it's obviously the file service will be off. I should normally be asleep by now, but I'm up doing this video so that we can explain everything to everyone. So what we'll do is continue, submit file, right, and then I'll have a message saying that the file has been sent to me. So once that's all done, I'll go through and I'll accept the file. As you can see here, I've already got the email saying that I've received the file. So give me 2 seconds and I'll be right back. So once you see I'll accept the file, it'll come up there saying that the file has been updated, as well as you'll get a message saying that it's updated as well. So what we'll do is we'll click into it, and this is what you'll see when the file is being made. You'll see that we've received the file and we're in progress of making your file. We give it an estimated time about 45 minutes. that's what I've given this kind of file for me to make, about 45 minutes. So you know the time frame that it's going to take for you to get the file. And then once that's all completely done, we would then come back once the file is uploaded. So right now, give me 2 seconds and I'll be back right again. So you'll see here that I have sent the file, and it said here that I've returned the file as well on the emails. So now you can just go through here. You do all your payment and everything through here. Obviously, being our test account, the payment side of things on this is completely zero. So once your file comes through, you can do your payment, you get your invoice, everything like that. Then you can download your file. And then once that's completely downloaded, obviously you can go and upload it into your vehicle, and then test it. If you got a dyno, if you put it on the dyno, you can upload your dyno sheets here, logs, as well as you can, let us know what we're thinking about the file. So if there's any way that we can improve and make everything better for yourself and ourselves as well. And then if you're looking for like a new file for it or anything like that, or want to add solutions, etc., you can do it all through here, as well as support. So let's say that we have a DTC on for P0400. I would get that notification that I have, this emissions light on that we need to get rid of. So we would go through, turn that off, and then you'll see in a second we would update and send you a new file. So once we do the update, you'll see it come through here, that the new file is done. So we'll go through and bang, it automatically updates. Like, you don't have to refresh the page or nothing. It's very simple, it's very easy to use, very quick, very just perfectly great. You know what I mean? Like, it's actually a very, very, very good portal system. So it does all your invoicing, it does all your support. If you want to do type support, or if you need to ring us, then you can just ring us, of course, as well as it does all your payments. It's got all your vehicles listed there, everything like that. And like I said, we do a lot of different vehicles. All you need to do is go on our Facebook page and see what we've done. So we do all your cars, trucks, agricultural, machinery, like that's obviously your construction, motorbikes, everything like that. So let's say we want to do a transmission tune on this D-Max, we would just go through the same process, then go into your 4JJ3 transmission file. We would upload the file, which I'm just going to use the tune file for that, and it's no problems. The ECU type for it, always click here, but this is just a transmission, so auto TCU, put the ID in here. Obviously it's automatic. And then we did this one with PCM flash, so just click on PCM flash, go through, and then we are looking for transmission tuning, and there we go, very good. Anything particular that we're chasing, if it's got a valve body or anything like that, or a bigger torque converter, just put all those details in, obviously, for us, and then we could upload that file and have that all sorted and then sent back through to us. So like I said, this portal is designed to make everything simple, easy, quick to use. So you upload the file, get an estimated time on when we're going to send you that file back. We send you that file back. If you want the support for it, you can do it. If you want to get direct contact with us, you do get our mobile number so that you have direct contact to us. And like I said, if you don't have tuning tools and you're looking at getting into the tuning market, and you need help, we help set up workshops. We can even help you set up with dynos. Like, if you need a dyno, we can supply you dynos. If you need tuning tools, we can supply you tuning tools. If you need tuning cables, we can supply you tuning cables, diagnostics tools. We stock absolutely everything and anything you could think of, right? And for some reason, if we don't have it in stock, we can get it very quickly for you. But this is our file portal. I really hope that it helps. And like I said, anyone that joins uh, from now to the... Actually, I don't think I've said it on this video. It might have been on one of the other test videos. But if you join from now into the next 3 months from now, you will get $100 added to your portal account straight away. So get in there, get some tuning done, get your customers happy, and start increasing the revenue of your business. And if you have absolutely any questions, feel free to email us or give us a call.